This video I will explain fatty liver and weight loss and how much weight loss is needed. First we will see what is fatty liver. Fatty liver means there is too much fat inside your liver. Your liver is a very important organ in your body. It helps you to digest food, store energy and clean your blood. When too much fat builds up in the liver, it can cause swelling, damage or even scarring over the time. This condition is called fatty liver disease. There are two common types. First one is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This is caused mostly by unhealthy eating, overweight, or lack of exercise. Second one is alcoholic fatty liver disease. This is caused by drinking too much alcohol. In this explanation, we will focus on non-alcoholic fatty liver, which is very common. Now we will see why fat in the liver is a problem. A small amount of fat in the liver is normal. But if the fat goes above 5 to 10% of liver's weight, then it becomes unhealthy. Too much fat in the liver can lead to liver inflammation, which is nothing but swelling, liver damage, liver scarring, which is called fibrosis or cirrhosis, and liver failure in severe cases. If you lose the weight, will it help fatty liver? Yes. In most common cases, losing weight is the most efficient treatment for fatty liver. Fatty liver often happens when people are overweight, obese, not physically active, and eating lot of sugary or fatty foods. When you lose weight, your body starts using stored fat, including fat in the liver for energy. This helps to reduce the liver fat and the liver can start to heal itself. How much weight loss is needed? Lose 5% of your body weight. This may reduce liver fat. Lose 7 to 10% of your body weight. This can reduce inflammation and in some cases reverse liver damage. More than 10% of weight loss. This may lead to even greater improvements in liver health. For example, if your weight is 80 kg, then 5% is 4 kg weight loss. 10% is 8 kg weight loss. And important note is weight loss should be gradual and healthy, about 0.5 to 1 kg per week. Very fast weight loss can harmful to your liver. How to lose weight safely? You have to eat vegetables, fruits and whole grains. You have to cut down sugar, fried food and junk food. You should avoid soft drinks and alcohol. You should be physically active. Aim for at least 30 minutes of walking or exercise every day. You have to avoid crash diets or pills that promise fast weight loss. Fatty liver is a common and often silent problem. Fatty liver can be reversed with proper care, especially through weight loss. Losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can make a big difference to your liver. Eat better, move more, and stay consistent. If you are not sure how to start, then talk to your doctor or dietitian. They can help create a safe plan that works for you.